For this week's plant of the week, we have Acer palmatum, and this particular one is bloodgood. So this is Japanese maple. You may have seen these in your neighborhood or seen them around town, wherever you're at. It's a popular small tree. It does relatively well here in the eastern part of the state. This one is an older one here in Maxwell Arboretum on East Campus. But the bloodgood starts with this nice burgundy foliage, and it'll moderate a little bit as we go through the summer, but it holds this foliage pretty good. There's some green versions out there, and the green versions will also have some good fall color. They're not invasive, so you don't have to worry about a lot of seedlings or anything like that. A lot of times that's a concern when you have a maple in your yard. And they're relatively small. You might get 15 feet tall over time, but it'll take a while to do that. And then, if you choose to have one of these in your yard, you might want to make sure that it has a good eastern exposure. We really want to keep it out of the late day sun. So it can handle the morning sun well, but not the late day heat. So, bloodgood maple, why don't we send it over to Gannon for the weather?